All right, hopefully this time it's working. You're gonna see right now in a video that I have an ear and something happened to my recording, so I want to come back and show you how I got that, so you guys aren't wondering how I put that in there. So I'm gonna come down here and click, or up here and click on the circle, and I want to make sure that I have a decent thickness, and then I'm gonna come over here and make my circle like this. Alright, in this
then I'm just gonna come over
next
and
video,
click the
we're
eraser
going to
tool.
look at
I'm
doing
gonna make
the
that a little
side
bigger.
view. So, we have the back view done, and we went and named it Tom Back View. So we have that here. And now we're going to click on this one here, and we've got to go and produce a side view.
Then once you have this in here,
when
all
we're
it
doing
is
this,
just going
we're going to go
and
and
drawing a box on it, and then you just paste it in there,
some things over.
just like that.
So
as you can see, mine's a lot
I'm
different
gonna
than the
zoom
other
out.
one.
So
Once you
it's
have
easier to
that,
see.
go ahead
And
and
when
save
I go
it,
do this,
and
I'm
you're
gonna
done.
get my eraser tool.
If you missed the
we're
part
just gonna
on
take some
doing the
things
smile, and this is just
We're
in
gonna
case I
take
didn't have
off
that in the
the
video,
smile.
I'm going to do that right now really quick.
And we're gonna take
And what
off
I had
the
in that one is the same kind of
nose.
thing, was I just clicked on here,
And we're gonna take
change
off
that to
this
red,
eye, which is really weird.
drop that down a little bit, made a circle over
So
here,
I just made that a little bigger.
and hit the eraser tool again,
It's just like one
and I
click.
just like cut off the circle a little
I
bit.
got some black right there, so
That
we
kind of
that.
looks like a smile.
And then we're gonna go and take
I
off
just
the
came
arm.
over and did this, and then I just popped it in, just like that. Okay. Any questions?
So you see how that's
Ask
looking
me in
like a side
class.
view? And then we're gonna
Otherwise,
take off
go ahead
this
and good
ear.
luck.
So I would suggest when you go to do this ear, you get this guy smaller again, because you gotta be really close and really careful when you're going to do this. I've messed up a couple times doing this, so you want to do this so you're not doing what I did and making a goof. So here we are at this point. Now, when we're looking at this, I'm thinking to myself, we got to do something with this eye. So we've got to kind of try to move that eye. So what I'm thinking, why can't we go and duplicate it? So why can't we go and draw a box around that eye? And I'm going to go and suggest that we kind of go and do something like this. Just like that. And we're going to duplicate it. And then we're going to, oh, I thought I had it. Let's try it again. There it is. And there we go. Now we're going to move this guy over. So I'm going to get him out of there and put him here. And even though I have like this duplication right here, I'm just going to go and erase it. Oops, he's coming back. So I got to move him again. Get him over here. Maybe what I'll do is I'll click on here again so it's saved. Now he's not moving. Remember that's what we learned from the last video, is you got to click on that spot not to let him move. And now I'm just going to go and delete all this stuff. And now that it's all gone, what I'm going to do is zoom out a little bit. And now I'm going to go and fill it. And we got to make sure that we get that same color. And I think this is what we used last time. And we want to get that color right. And we did. Sweet. Alright, cool. So, with the side view, we're going to have to go and, because we got that hair coming off right there, we have to come in here and we're going to move this guy over a little bit. And we've got to go and get this right here deleted. So we're going to go, I'm going to make this smaller because I want to make sure this is precise. So I'm going to go and get this all deleted. And if you delete some of the black here, it's not a big deal. We'll just come back and put it in. And we're going to get all that. And we're going to get some of this. And we'll keep going. And once you have that, now we're going to come back up to here. And remember, we got to go on the black, so if we go with that other color, it's going to get messed up. And we're going to go and draw, oops, that is way too big. Let me get rid of that. I think it actually was that size. Wasn't it? Nope, still too big. So a lot of this is going to take, you know, and that's not working either. I think I know what I didn't do. I gotta get the line tool. And we're gonna come around here, just like this, until we can kind of make out that eye again. If we have to, we'll squeeze in a little bit more, kind of like make that look more like a circle. And it's nice too because we can go in close and cover up these pixels here. To make it so it doesn't look so jagged. I'm gonna go and I think what I'm gonna do is delete some of that right here. And I'm gonna go and fill that back in. And this, I mean, if you get like I have right here and you did a lot of those mistakes like I did, this might take you a little while to get this fixed, but I'm sure you're going to be able to get it. I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to go and now position him, or position the eye where I have to have it. So I'm going to go and zoom back out. Now the eye has to come over here, and it has to be placed on this area here. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to have to move it, and this is going to be my selection tool. This one's remove background, that one's going to be the duplicate. So I'm going to click on the select tool. And now I got to move this guy over here. And the ear, the ear that was here kind of now took over and replaced the nose, so to speak. So once you get to this point right here, go ahead and go on to the next movie.